Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to bold the text on the Skype application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your PC before. Of course, if you don't, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you are using. Once you open this, go to the URL section and type download Skype application, then hit the enter button. Go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, once you do that, you will need to actually install it and open it up. Those download steps will be pretty simple and easy because you must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be the same as Skype. And as you said, once you open the application, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, make sure to log in into it, but if you don't, you'll need to go and create one. You'll have an option to do that so from there. So it will be pretty simple as well. And once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this home screen or this main screen with a welcome sentence containing even your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to make the text bold. So how can we do that? First of all, let me just go here to the chat options. Let me just create a new chat as an example. Okay, let me just create a new group chat, name it whatever it is. Next, done. And how can we make it bold? So simply, let's test this. As you can see, this tests, I can make it bold. How can I do that? So simply, if I want to do that, I would like to do this. Make sure to do this at the beginning and the ending of whatever word you're gonna type, and it will be bolder. Maybe you will notice the difference, but some of you will not. So let's just write something big so you will notice. Now we'll do it with this, or even I can like turn off the dark theme so you can notice. So let me just do that and come back. So now I guess you'll notice, as you can see, it's bolder actually when you do that. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.